value yake ndo kimenyago when it's not there. Ndiraumite Diani gikerania na a lady ngikwenda kumugweta ritwa ndirakwira ithaa riu rimwe that flight athomeire akijuria we mwene AMG we unikiureka utari Monica-ini ta shoka ipo ngwira akijuria wewe ushoke ndirakwira athomeire the full flight nginya ria twalandire mundu tajowe that ona ndathire mucingira mūtumia wakwa ngimwira I think we need to go back to Monica. Riu ona tigo thaitho turathaithwo riu ni guthomerwo.
AMG is in my heart.
Yes.
Also journey ya Metha. Andu aria manyitire guoko ria my AMG. And you've seen me grow.
Yes.
You've seen Metha, becoming.
We've grown together.
Yeah. So I really appreciate ukorwo the part of AMG.
Thank you.
Murarari wa Metha ya Kagoni uri mwega njitagwo Monica Kagoni ngikunyita ugeni. Today I am extremely excited. Tiwe kana ndauga kigo kiuria kwagirire because I am going back home. Ureyuria kandirathiete ku I'm going back home. I am going back to AMG Realtors where my story began. Nejo yangekorwo ni ukoretwo kigura kana ukigithia thini wa real estate, you must have seen AMG channel in ya Metha ya Kagoni, and I'm sure you bought with them Juja, Mahiu, Nanyuki, Kangudo Road, all those Nakuru, all those places, Malindi, Diani. Yeah, I'm sure you bought those places. Thank you so much for trusting the brand AMG Realtors and trusting Metha ya Kagoni. Now, as I've told you, I am going back home. Deja kidogo, miaka almost more than a year. Ndashoka mushie.
Welcome back home. Ona ibn twashoka mushie.
Twashoka mushie. Karibu sana.
Both of us are coming back home.
You're coming back home.
Yes, to each other.
Yeah, sure.
Tondu wabere nyabe juge nitukenete muno. Ni gushoka gwaku. And I think value yake ndo kimenyago when it's not there. Karatiguo.
Thimo ya Gikuyu yugaga atiri mūtumia mukuru ri.
Reure. Undu uria funny ni ati when we took a break, which was a mutual break, because to us we thought reu mundu wothe wonaga Monica riu nionete AMG koguo no twambe tuweka break kanini. But the funny thing is that the people people continuously asked us, where is AMG with Monica? That is what we want to see. That is how we have come to know you. Koguo mushoke kou. Na that message was loud and clear. Na tuire hau. Na ndirugamaga. Na ndirakwira nginya oira. Kwina mundu rajirire uhoro wa Monica. Niki mutakorwo Monica riu thiko ici. Na mundu wothe no gwajuragia. Guku Kenya, Ruraya, America dathie. Everybody asks that question. Na nijui riu riria maratuona twi hamwe andu ni akenu. That one I can assure you. Na go upona ni ukiuragio AMG mathire.
Nijuragio muno.
Tutigaituike na ithu turakiurio.
Nijuragio muno. Na mirereri, this is the director and founder of AMG Realtors. Andrew Muthegi Tau. Na gwiciragia ukungira na with a helicopter rides.
Reka tuge atiriri maundu macio mothe ri ni maguka riu episode ino ni retagwo atiriri wathire ku na Simon Kibeta agitu charge but we've been well. We've been working hard as usual. We've been listening to our customers. This is part of listening to our customers. Tandu customer ito marauga asha ithu twenda kumona kwao kwa Monica mushoke ku na tukimera ni turaigua no matiatigire kuga twaciragia ndwe kutara kwena mundu angiciria ati after 2 weeks ni ugufade
atene pia
riu turonda riu ri reka tugicoke mucii na ngwiciria njuge brand citu cieri had a perfect fit tondu brand yaku ya Monica Kagoni ti ya go shout. You know your personality is not a loud personality. Na ithuĩ noguo we are not gura no nginya ugure ni cirathira our positioning is we bring something good to the market. We want you to think about it, uthie wecirie weke mathabu maku mu discuss na mundu waku okoroke na mundu na ngai waku of course umurie uria uraigua na spirit yaku ya lead ugoka tugeka deal.
True.
Na kindu kiu gatuika kirathimo ithuĩ twethaga irathimo more than anything else. Tondu nituonete andu ingi mena mbeca no makaga thayu makaga irathimo makaga muturire mwega. Koguo that is very important to us. Na brand ya AMG na brand ya Monica Metha ya Kagoni ikoretwo cige fit like a jigsaw puzzle tondu itishautaga. They are just calm, very calm. They are both very calm brands.
Yes.
And that's so attractive. Me, I think it's a very attractive way of you're telling somebody I have something good for you. Think about it. Sure. I'm not forcing you to buy. Diwe shirie uhoro wayo kama mathabu maku na wona ni kindu kiega ri come we are here and we will serve you. Na ngwiciria uguo niguo andu matuonete na makona onake Monica noguo hana athi okorwo ni story araruta ti haro ni ku get to the deep root ya uhoro kihumo netiguo gigitagwo kihumo kia uhoro na riu mundu onake akirorera show iyo ri aka enjoy na akaigua ona warikia ri wina thayo ndugu kwina show imo ungi watch uguo rigu warikia ukarigo ini kikuonaga you don't know ukaigua thayo waku ni disturbed. Koguo we appreciate you.
Thank you.
Tugakena muno ni wira rutaga all the time na riu taru ni twagicoka ri na no acoka ri tukihoya Ngai agatutongorie atutware wega o ria tutwarite hindi wengi na gutiri undu ati twagikire ati kuhitania kana ke it's just a mutual break that
na he mūtumia wirega kuhurira from Seattle
Washington
akijira Monica niki mwekanire na yeye akurohe undume nikuthi kuri andu mwere.
That's so nice.
It was just a mutual break. Which is healthy.
It is healthy. Taru no ukoro we ukiadvertise Citizen TV you take a break. Tikuga ati ni mwahitania. It's the same way. Na koguo turi akenu ugicoka.
Thank you.
Na tuhoe Ngai turutithanie wira mwega hamwe. Na twina maundu maingi muno turenda gukwira maria tukoretwo tugika. Maingi. Tiga ona makwendia migunda riu maundu mangi ukuona. Which I think ona mwirori ni agukena. Ona maundu maria tukoretwo tugika. Tondu we want to leave a legacy in this country. Na tuhoyaga Ngai atuhotithie ku make a difference. Oria tokire tukimeka difference thini wa wendio wa migunda. Okorwo ni kuheana title within 60 days. Okorwo ni kwendia mugunda witu tutirendia mugunda wa mundu. Yani tukidecide tugwika maundu different in an industry hinya muno kuruta wira na industry ikoragwo na controversy nyingi muno na koguo tugacokeria Ngai ngatho ni gutuhotithia gwika maundu macio tugacoka tugathii na mbere tugagika some other things thini wa society which I believe ciena impact nene muno na maundu macio ni tugukorwo tugishare nawe na hihi tukihota kuonania na mwirori ona akione mundu investite na ithuiri mbeca ciake cithiaga ko to horo wa migunda kwina maundu maingi no at the core our business no ya gukendia migunda tutigithiete business ingi no kwina impact tukimekaga thini wa society iria tugukiaria horo wayo tukiaria horo wa nginya Martin no kana wakiriganirwo ni andu itu
Martin agino marigane no Martin
Ndona ngiriganira yes riu tukiuge Martin nake atwire ku tukira tu maundu ta uguo. So I'm looking forward to having great conversations with you.
Sure.
Going forward na ngai oria tuikaga ngai mbere tukimuige mbere ni tumuge kuyu maundu make mothe makoragwo na ngai.
True. Ndaikira wabici nguthomaga that quote. I dream that one day every Kenyan will own land that they can call home.
Yes.
That's your quote, Andrew Muthegi Tau.
Yes.
Of course, without preempting, I know that AMG is turning 14.
Yes, correct.
Now, one of the projects I am so proud of to be associated with, Juja.
Yes,
from Juja phase 1 to 13 now.
Imagine.
Direraga gitonga my cameraman. No aririkana wena tufisha when it was just bare land.
I know, saiso.
Ina Makogo. But right now is a whole community living there. When you see that, how do you feel, Andrew?
Ekagwire ni wega muno gwitikia Ngai. Tondu maundu maya reka ndungihota gwika as a human being.
True.
Na ungimeka utagwitikia Ngai. Kindu kiria kingĩingĩra thĩinĩ waku nĩ mwĩtĩo, nĩ kuona andũ arĩa angĩ tamateciragia, nĩ kuona ta wĩna hinya mũno, nĩ kuona yani nĩ kũrokũra. But when I look at that place, tondu niĩ nĩ ndarĩ na kĩoneki tene, ndanakũhe story yakwa, na ĩyo story ngwĩciria nĩyo yakĩhingũrire the story now of AMG uria twakianjirie uhoro wa uria ndakiluzire mbeca na kianjia kurota kindu ta Del Monte ati no ngure mugunda ta ucio na ndeutinangi na gukorwo na andu magikara kuu. A planned very good estate. So ndona kioneki riu ndina kioneki kuu gacoka ngona Juja uria tanite ri uria andu maraka uria andu maraikara kuu uria twotete kuma phase 1 nginya 13. Ni nyonaga Ngai. Tondu nyonaga ati no Ngai no akuhe dream na acoke amirehe into reality na acoke ame exceed gukira nginya uria wekaga atia weciritie. Koguo my faith in God just increases, my trust in God just increases. Na ngamuhoya ati oguo tu atulidite athie na mbere gutulid tondu gutiri undu ingiuga in my own words ati ucio ni uhoti wako as Andrew. It is impossible.
True.
It is impossible. That is just ucio ni wira uria mundu uroraga uguo koga ni wira wa Ngai. So yugatuika humble ukenyihia ukamenya ati Ngai ni arakuhuthira na njira ina na ukamwira riu ri tondu ni urahuthira na njira ino na njira nene ri ndeithia ni ndi mundu waku hote gukombe na hote gwika atia dikore tondu hindi yo niguo riu mwite uingiraga ukona uyu ni uhoti wakwa ukona ni ndi mbere ukona maundu matari mabata na niguo shaitani endaga no ithu tucokaga mwena wa Ngai tukamenya kiki nikio riria mundu arakuhurira thimu ndari acemania nawe AUS akwira ndenda account agwikiria milioni 4 you know that is nothing short of a miracle. Ndakui the only thing enayo yaku ni thimu ndoe nginya ofisi yanyu kuria ciri no corona ndangihota gucoka Kenya for that period no anyita na aragwikiria mbeca agagutrust ati ni ukumucagurira broti iria njega agutrust haria uramucagurira hatire mai ni akota gwaka na ndaguginya ndanatuma mundu one
na agaikia mbeca
na agakuhurira ringi no kamutumira taitu na akona deal ne yathira na agagutumira mundu ungi na mundu ungi na mundu ungi. To me those are just miracles.
Sure.
They are really not to get to in sales people wega muno, which is true, not to get to in maundu maingi mega muno no maundu macio mothe ri maretwo no okay no Ngai. So all the glory goes back to him.
Thank you, Andy.
Ewe nawe how have you been?
I've been good.
Nironeka nyonaga sister locks tajiroro wa sister locks ni kuga atia na nie no thondekwo brother locks
no wekiro
hihi
ona no meresenda cio no
sai ukiumbira hari
ngiamba gukora na wira munene muno wa kwamba kumeria njiri
ungihota kuumbira hari ona no miracle
Nitukugeria. But I've been good.
Yes.
I'm so happy to be back home.
Thank you.
But hatari exaggerate. I know AMG is in my heart.
Yes.
Also journey ya Metha.
Yes.
Andu aria manyitire guoko ria my AMG.
Yes.
And you've seen me grow.
Yes.
You've seen Metha, becoming.
We've grown together.
Yeah. So I really appreciate ukorode part of AMG.
Thank you.
Of course, co-influence brand. Itari na scandal. That weka video you can sleep.
Duretigera
rucio ukero ne client.
Yes.
That for me was a really big score for
Thank you.
And of course, as I've said, nejo need wake the 14 stories of transformation.
Yes.
And 14 years of transforming lives.
You.
But I'm so excited na Juja.
Yes.
So I have invested there. I have a plot there.
I know. Na wake?
Tugathiko.
Runo asoka, runo.
Negwaka. Neto pesa turania. So thank you, Andrew.
Asante.
Onakorora all the content creators ukona. We still want to go back to Metha.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that honor.
I think it will be very bad kuga. Diraumete Diani. Maybe 2 months, 3 months ago. Gikerania na a lady. Ndikwenda kumugweta ritwa. Ndirakwira ithaa riu rimwe that flight. Athomeire. Akijuria we niwe mwene AMG we. Unikiureka utari Monica-ini. Ta shoka iko. Ndiwira akijira wewe.
Ushoke.
Ndirakwira athomeire the full flight. Nginya riria twalandire. Mundu tajowe. That ona ndathire mucingira mutumia wake ngimwira. I think we need to go back to Monica. Riu ona tiguthaithwo turathaithwo. Riu ni guthomerwo. So all to say, welcome back home.
Thank you.
And we are also very excited to be back home.
Thank you.
Koguo oria ndakiuga tukihoe Ngai agitutongoria the next phase.
Then niguo. So let the journey begin.
Thank you. Riu tutigwe sign haha.
Oni tukwandikanira.
No nginya. Oria twandikanire hindi wengeri. Ni wega tu sign kanyamu. Nigetha tukimenya atiriri this is official. Ti maundu ma ti undu wa mahutini.
Ti undu wa mahutini.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And welcome back.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you. I really love it. Gaka uguo.
Yuna ni jikare no.
Jikie haha thiini.
Correct, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. No tutume ngeithi kuri Martin ari US.
Ni tatuma tuigwe.
Martin wamukire ngeithi nyingi muno ta muthanga wa iria kuma kwa Metha ya Kagoni na gukwira that I am back home and I can't wait to come and see you in the US.
Yeah, Martin, we are missing you here in Kenya.
Yeah.
We wish you were here.
Yeah.
No, nĩ ũrakiruta wĩra mwega kũrĩa US. Na nĩ ũragĩthiũrũrũka kũu gũkĩona andũ. Na wagĩcoka nĩ tũgagĩka video na Monica. Kana Monica agĩũke kũu mwĩke video on ground. Yes, and you see many customers. Andũ aingĩ nĩ makũragia mũno kũrĩa. Nĩ moga mũtirehe Monica tũmuone.
No nginya ũndware.
No nginya tũthiĩ. Ngai mbere. He'll make it happen. Thank you so much and welcome back.